How to fix Snapchat map not updating. In order to fix a Snapchat map that is not updating, you could ensure that location permissions are set to always or while using in your phone settings. What you want to do is locate settings on your device, and you could either go to location from the list. Here, you could just go ahead and select Snapchat from the list and make sure that allow while using this app is toggled on. Once you've done this, you could simply go ahead and refresh, restart your device, and once again try launching the Snapchat app, and you could go to the map section from the bottom right and see whether that has been able to fix or not. Similarly, you could also go ahead and make sure to tap on the gear icon at the top right hand side corner, and in some cases you might have enabled ghost mode. So what you want to do is toggle this button, and now you could simply make sure to check whether you're able to fix Snapchat map or not. So this is how things work. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.